How do I manage fleet maintenance? You manage fleet maintenance by tracking every vehicle on a set schedule, keeping detailed service records, and fixing small problems before they turn into big expensive breakdowns. Think of your fleet like a group of kids you are watching at a playground. You cannot just look at one and forget the rest. You have to check on all of them regularly. Every vehicle should have its own maintenance calendar based on mileage and time, not just guessing when something feels off. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake checks, and fluid levels should be logged every single time so you can spot patterns. Here is something most people do not know. Many fleet managers use a system called predictive maintenance, where sensors inside the vehicle actually warn you before a part fails, instead of waiting for it to break. This can save thousands of dollars because replacing a part early is always cheaper than a tow truck and a breakdown on the road. Try grouping your vehicles by type and mileage so you can create smarter schedules instead of treating every truck or van the same way. Small steps like this add up to major savings over time. One common mistake is waiting until something breaks instead of following a preventive schedule, and the simple fix is setting calendar reminders tied to mileage instead of memory. Another big misconception is thinking cheaper parts always save money, when in reality, low-quality parts often fail faster and cost more in the long run, so it is smarter to invest in trusted brands. A lot of fleet owners also forget to track driver behavior, and harsh braking or fast acceleration wears down vehicles quicker, so using a simple driving score system can extend the life of every vehicle in your fleet. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.